Everyone, my name is Morgan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use CoWriter in Schoology. So as you can see, I am currently signed into Schoology, and all I'm going to do is complete this assignment on the membrane permeability. So I'm going to go up to CoWriter and simply just toggle it on. Now I could come in here and write my comment, and as you can see, my CoWriter box has popped up here. I'm just going to move it on over, and I can say the iodine.
Iodine.
Starch.
Starch.
And dialysis.
Dialysis.
And I could finish on with my sentence there, but let's say perhaps we are all done. So of course, as soon as I throw on any kind of punctuation, it is going to read that back to me and give me that support.
The iodine, starch, and dialysis.
Awesome. And that's how you use CoWriter in Schoology.